Arriving at the start, race 7, the Watch Us on Facebook Live novice over 4:05. Number 1 is sene at 5:90. 2 is Twix Manelli, 2:60. Number 3, Hazelhurst, 18. 4 Little Kicks, 5:40. Rockabye Willow, 5:80. Speedy Lomar at 14. Diamond George, 15. And Sunset Inferno, $14. They are behind the boxes for the 7th. Twix Manelli to run favourite, box 2 at 2:70. They're about to link in. Third leg of the quaddie. To be alive, you need 5 Pinkie Pie and 3 Resting Toucher. In they go. Vicensoni, Hazelhurst, Rockabye Willow, Diamond George, Twix Manelli, Little Kicks, Speedy Lomar and Sunset Inferno. All boxed, green light. Provincial novice over the 4:05. Set to jump. Racing now, flying out Little Kicks, mustering quickly Twix Manelli. Rockabye Willow is third, and then Speedy Lomar railing through Vicensoni rapidly. Sunset Inferno is wider out, and then Hazelhurst. Speedy Lomar in bother, back with Diamond George. Here comes Sunset Inferno. Rockabye Willow runs on, but Sunset Inferno hit the lead, and Sunset Inferno over Rockabye Willow. Third, Twix Manelli. Fourth, Little Kicks. Ahead of Hazelhurst, Diamond George, Speedy Lomar, Vicensoni, 23-28. Number 8, Sunset Inferno. David Hobby, Cheyenne Tatungus, daughter of Barcia Bale out of Minnesota Nice, has come with a very strong run. Once she found the rail, she accelerated quickly. And it's an impressive win over 5 Rockabye Willow, Cody Charles. 2 Twix Manelli, David Hobby, and 4 Little Kicks, Shane Williams, 8-5-2.